everyone, welcome back with another video of Cybrosys. In today's video, here I'm going to talk about the Discuss modules overview. So basically, inside Odoo 19 Community Edition, we have an inbuilt communication hub, which is Discuss module, and it's basically very helpful to collaborate the team discussions, like internal team discussion, and you can simply chit chat with the website visitors, and there we have many more advantages inside Discuss module. So I'm not going to stretch this video, so let's get started. So by opening the Discuss module, there you can find the dashboard itself. From the dashboard, what are the things that you can find? So from here itself, you can simply search a conversation. So inside every discussion, inside your company, we have different kind of conversation, right? So from that, if your client say anything like an important thing, you can simply search it. Like if your manager are saying to you like give that particular conversation or get that, you can simply search that conversation from here itself. So there you can find a wizard like this. So you can simply provide what are the things that you need, and there you can find the mentions, reasons, and there we have the recent persons and the channels and everything. Okay. So from here, it's like you can simply search any particular conversation that happened inside your discussion. Okay. And there we have the start message. Under the start message, we all know that we have different kind of important messages. So for important messages, you can simply provide a priority. So you can simply start that messages. Okay. So using this option, you can find what are the start messages of your channels, of your conversation, of your discussion. Okay. And under that, there you can find different channels, which is active, administrators. Under the generals, there you can find the troubleshooting, ideas that have been suggested by your employees, and there we have welcome to general, which means the starting messages. Okay. So there you can find it. And there we have public community. Under the public community, there you can find all the information regarding that particular channel. And there we have an option to looking for help. So you all know that we have different kind of website visitors. So the website visitors are who are new to the website have different kind of doubts regarding our business or our website or different kind of things. So they can simply raise their help to us, and your sales team or the customer care department can simply understood that, and they can simply engage the visitors with them. Okay. So that's basically looking for help. So you can find out are the things that the visitor is asking. So hi, hello, may I help you? And Michelle is just given this kind of message to them, and the visitor has replied as, I would like to know more about the Discuss application. So Michelle can simply address what are the things to them. Okay. And there we have the Joy Wells as well. And under the support, there we have different kind of supporters, which is visitors and everyone. And there we have the YouTube and website.com. And under that, there you can find the visitors as well. And there we have the direct message. Under the direct message, there we have the Odoo board as well. Okay. And for simply generating any message or a direct message inside a particular channel, let it be general. Okay. Let's go to the general. Inside general, all members can simply message or discuss any kind of things, which is troubleshooting, ideas and suggestion as well. The different kind of things that has been happened inside your company. Okay. So there we have the different conversations. For creating a direct message, you can simply click on there and you can message like hi. Once you're done with that, you can also provide you can simply react this message using emojis, like this kind of emojis, or you can edit that. Like if you want to re-edit this message as hello, you can simply provide it. So once you're done with that, it's edited. And if you want to start this message or prioritize this message, you can simply add the start. So once I start this message, I can simply see the start message from the start message that have been talked at the first of this video. So there you can find Michelle admin. Hello, it is start. Okay. So let's head over to the general. And there we have a toggle. So there you can simply reply. Like if you want to reply for a particular message, you can reply it like hi. So I can simply reply it. And you can also pin this message, mark a send read, create thread, copy link, and as well delete it. Okay. And the top of the session, what are the things that you can find? You can simply create a video call to your team. For creating a video call, you can start this. So do you want people to see you in the meeting? You can simply use the camera, or you can use the microphone and the camera, which means the board. Okay, so you can still turn off your camera at any time. So the Odoo is definitely asking you the permission to do that. And if you're giving that, you can simply provide it. From the video call itself, you can simply unmute this. There we have an option to set up all the information about that particular voice, which means the microphone. So if you want to provide any microphone setting, you need to give the permission. And there we have the permission needed for the audio output, did field, push to talk. So if you want to provide any push to talk message, you can simply check on the option. So here it is appear, and there we have the voice settings as well. And there we have the camera settings. Under the camera setting, you can use the camera, and let me remove it. Okay. And there we have an option to give the permission for camera and blur background, which means if you want to just enable this option, it will be enabled. And for the video settings, you can directly go through from here itself. And there we have an option to share the entire screen. And here its toggle option is for more, which means the raise hand. So inside every kind of discussions or a group meeting, there people needs to raise hand for any particular points or anything. So they can simply raise their hands and disable speaker autofocus as well. And if you want to just make for a disconnection, you can simply click on the option as well. So if you want to minimize or expand it, you can simply provide a full screen. So that's all about the video call settings. And on the top of the section, you can simply notify by the messages by putting on the notification bar, which means the notification setting. Under that, there you can find the mute conversation, use default, which means mention only, or all messages mention only or nothing. Okay. So you can set up it. And there we have an option to invite people. By clicking on this, you can simply invite people by searching this option. So if you want to add any person, which means Mark Demo or anyone else, you can simply add them. So here it is not found it, no problem. And you can also copy this particular link, and you can just paste this on a WhatsApp or anything. And there we have an option to search any particular message inside your discussion. So just searching by the message, which means hi, you can simply say that hi messages. And there we have an option to the threads, and there we have an option to attach any files or anything that regarding to the discussion. And there we have the pin message. So if you want to pin any particular message or see it, you can simply check on this option. And there we have an option to add members. So once you're clicking on this option, you can see the members, which means invite a user. There we have online, Michelle admin, and offline, Mark Demo as well. Okay. So from here itself, you can find them. And there we have the channels. Under the channels, you can simply create a new channels, and there you can find the pre-created channels, which means the general, administrator, sales, board meeting, RT, welcome to general. And these all channels are currently available. Okay. So if you want to leave this particular channel, you can leave. And if you want to join any new channels, you can also join it. Okay. So for creating a new channel, you can simply click on the new option, and you need to provide the group name, which means the channel name, and you can simply provide the description, which means topic that have been discussed in this particular group. And then we have the privacy. Under the privacy, there we have the authorized group, which means the roles or users, auto-subscribe group, auto-subscribe departments, and there you can also add the images of the channels. Okay, once you're done with that, you can simply save this manually, and you can find that particular channel from here itself. Okay. Now let's move to the configuration settings. Okay, configuration settings. Under the configuration, there we have different kind of configure option, which means notification. The same thing which you can simply set up the notification settings, like channel notification, which in the mention only, all or nothing. So you can provide the notification settings. And there we have the voice and video call. Under the voice and video call, there you can see the similar wizard that you can find once you are making any video call or start a meeting video call. So there we have the voice. Under the microphone, you need the permission. Output audio, you need the permission. Voice detection. There we have push to talk, and there we have a push to talk keys. You need to provide them, and there we have delay after releasing push to talk, and there we have the video. Under the video, you need a permission to activate the camera, and there we have show video participants only and blur video background. You can simply customize or setting up all those things like this. So you can just provide the intensity of the blurred camera vision, which means the edge blur and the background blur as well. Okay, so you can simply download the log as well. Once you are done with that, we are set to update. And under the configuration, here we have the canned response. So you all know that what you mean by canned response. You can simply provide a shortcut, and there we have a substitution. So for this kind of shortcut, there we have a substitution, which means hello, how may I help you? And you can simply create any kind of canned response. So it will be very useful you to communicate each other inside your discussion. Okay. And under the configuration, we have lastly the roles, which mean you can simply create a role. By creating a role, you can simply provide a role, which means consultant. So once you are done with that, there we have a user, which means you can provide the users which belongs to the consultant roles. Let me provide Michelle admin and Mark demo. Once I'm done with that, you can simply save and close this. We have created a role, and let's move back to the discuss. And here I can simply mention them like from the roles consultant. I can simply see the consultant. Okay. So there you can find the consultant from here itself as well. Okay. So that's all about the detailed overview about the discuss module. So I hope you all understood this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another tutorial. Till that, bye-bye.